What's up, guys? We're here with another video. Today we're gonna be working on one of my friend's 5.0s. He just recently got this truck. It's really nice. I think he just got it back from like the window tint place and stuff. Got these nice wheels right here. Some 22s, Momos. Real nice truck. Still has that new truck smell and shit. And well, today we're gonna be doing the IHC. I think he wants me to set it at 4.6, so you got your control arms, everything in there. There you got your rear components, but he's gonna do helper bags, so that's another thing we're gonna be doing. So typically on these, what I do once we start on the back, but right now we're gonna do the front, is drop the spare tire. That way the leaf spring bolts pop out, and then we just start taking off the shock, disconnecting the brake line from the driver's side, take off the bump stops, start loosening up the shackles and all that. But one thing I wanted to mention to you guys is these alignment kits that we've been doing on the trucks. They're about 120, I want to say, but we sell them for $100. You can get them at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. I don't know if AutoZone carries them, but I buy them from O'Reilly's. That's just to ensure that the camber bolts from the lower control arm, that's where you achieve your alignment on these trucks, so they don't shift over time, you know, with vibrations or whatever. Kind of just locks them in place. So right now I'm gonna just jack up the truck in the front, start taking off the wheels, just start tearing apart the suspension, and then I'll show you guys, I guess, the proper way to start putting stuff back on. They usually get these, I think I saw one the other day, the control arms were upside down. I don't know how you achieve that, but whatever, man. I see different stuff all the time, but yeah, gonna start on this one. Hopefully there's nothing missing from the kits and stuff, but let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got all the suspension back on. You can see the upper control arm, ball joint on the bottom, not on top. I like using the longer bolts, but I mean, you can use the short bolt. They're short bolts. Just remember to use Loctite. The original bolts from the bottom of the strut, those get knocked out, and then they get replaced with the hardware that they send. And then, I don't know if you guys can see, get a better view from under there. So these are the alignment kits that I was talking about. That's how they go. They go on both sides. So you got this one here, and then you got the one in the back over here. See it right there. So all the sway bars on, all the lines are connected. Right now all I gotta do is just put the wheels back on and set the toe. The toe is basically when the wheel goes in and out like that, not the camber. So that's pretty much it. Just remember to connect your ABS whenever it's on the floor. And then the back, just drop the spare tire, that helps. And then start tearing it apart. Pretty much it. Just gotta be careful with these, it's a little delicate. But yeah. Check out the other side. Alright, guys, so we got done last night. This is pretty much what it looks like. IHC 4.6 with the helper bags. I don't know if you can see them in there. Got about like 18 to 15 psi in them. She does look like a 3.5, but I mean, keep in mind the truck still has the settle, and obviously the back is a little higher because of the helper bags. But right now we're gonna take off to the alignment shop, show you guys how the numbers come out, and then for today we got this one coming in. So this one's gonna get a right tech kit, pretty much what the Shelby trucks come with. The only difference is in the back we're gonna be doing the fog shocks, and what the front is coilovers, all the hardware. We are gonna have to put them together because they don't come put together. I think the springs are in there, all the hardware's there. And then over there are the control arms, the upper control arms. And then what's in here? I think all the hardware in the brackets and all that stuff. So we'll see how this one comes out. It's probably gonna be a little bit more time consuming, especially since it's the first one we're gonna do with this kit. But I'm kind of excited to see like the right quality of it, see what all the hype is about. Because keep in mind, it is a pretty expensive kit for what it is, you know. But supposedly it's one of the best ones out there, so we're gonna put it to the test and see what's up. Alright guys, so I got the whole truck taken apart already. Not the whole truck, just the front. But I want to give you guys a detailed view of the parts. You got your upper control arms right here. All the hardware, castle nuts, a spacer, Certic fittings for the ball joints. The hardware, the brackets for the coilovers. Imagine this one goes inside of the control arm. And I haven't figured out where that one goes. Then you have these little aluminum things for, I want to say they go here somewhere, like that. Anyways, I don't know. I didn't like this. This is like the spanner wrench that they send you, and you can put one of your wrenches in here, or ratchets, whatever. I don't know why they didn't just send you a bigger spanner wrench that they could have just cut out. But whatever, we have spanner wrenches. We have some from the Alden American Coilover kits, and then we also have some from the QA1s and the Vikings. These are the Coilover coils. They're rated at 650. I want to say that's what that number's for. Hyper Coils is the company. And of course, it's gonna have cancer. So wear gloves. You know, I'm not wearing gloves right now, but I'm gonna wash my hands. But because a lot of these parts with the chemicals that they're made with, you know, you can absorb it through your skin and potentially get cancer or whatever. And then these are for this. Remember to use some anti-seize on the thread so you don't mess them up. And then for the rear, just the Fox shock. And then I'm supposed to get them the IHC flip kit and the lift shackle because you wanted a 3.5. So everything is simple, not too hard. Just gotta figure out where the bolts go and everything. The kit does come with instructions. I think the only annoying part is gonna be to build the coilovers and set them where they need to be set at, because I don't know why they don't just like send them already assembled and kind of like set like at a 3-inch already, that way you could just slip them on. But no, you pretty much have to put them together yourself, and just like a whole bunch of other stuff you gotta do. But we'll figure it out. Like I said, this is the first time we used the Right Tech kit. I've seen it before. I've never used it. Never. Apparently, like I said, the Shelbys have it. I didn't even know that. Thought I had something else. But yeah, we're gonna see what all the ruckus is about, and then just pretty much install everything, give it a little test drive, and then we'll probably get it aligned tomorrow. But yeah, we took everything off: spindle, upper control arm, lower control arm. You can see it's hanging on the ground, the brakes, all that stuff. That way we can start putting it all back together. All right guys, so I just got done with the front. It took me forever. Had some people come in, pick up their vehicles, and some other people stop by, or whatever. The coilovers were a little tricky. Just a note, the knob has to come off. You have to, I guess, turn it all the way in. So the more you turn it, the more the knob sucks in. That's gonna allow you for the cup to drop down or whatever. And I haven't set the screw in there yet, because you know I still gotta mess with it. But before I can do all that, I have to finish the drop. You know, drop the back first, and then see where the truck sits. Measure, set the coilovers where they need to sit. Play with the settings, the stiffness, and all that stuff. See where it's sitting. Hopefully I can finish it tonight and finish setting it up tonight. That way I can just take it tomorrow in the morning to get a line, and they can just come pick her up. So coilovers, they don't come assembled. You have to assemble them yourself. That's the stuff I was talking about, the anti-seize. Make sure you use that. Make sure to grease up your ball joints. And that's it, man. I mean, we did an alignment kit on this one too. See it in there, so they can, it makes it easier on the alignment shop, and then it gives you peace of mind, because sometimes the nuts, they do come loose for whatever reason. But that just locks it all in place. The rest of the stuff, there's not really much stuff left. It's just the rear shocks, and then I did tell him I was gonna get him the lift shackles and the flip kit and the U-bolts, square U-bolts, and the plates for the top was another thing. So gonna throw the wheels on right now, try to set them as straight as I can, put it on the floor, and then just start on the back. And this is the passenger side, ready to go. What's up, guys? So following day, giving guys an update on the truck. She is done. Right now I'm just gonna run over to the alignment shop, see how the alignment comes out. I'm a little worried because this is the first time we do this kit, but it should align. I don't think we had to slot the lower control arm pockets, hopefully not. Hopefully the alignment still comes out pretty good. The bag, it was just a flip kit and the IHC lift shackle, IHC flip kit, and the Fox shocks. It rides pretty good. Yesterday I messed with the adjustments on the coilovers. I have it at about 7 clicks. I forgot how many you can do, but it rides good, sitting nice. Hopefully the guy likes it, and if not, you know, we can always bring it down or bring it up or whatever. And next we got this old school Lightning. Hopefully this one doesn't give us any issues or anything as far as like the parts coming off and putting the new stuff back on, but pretty nice Lightning. And this one, I believe, is getting a 3/4 drop, so the I-beams in the front, and then the hanger and the shackle. It already has a shackle, but should come down another 2 inches. The thing here is, I need to take the bed off because I need to take the rivets off because all the fuel lines are on the frame right here, and these come with two gas tanks, one here and then the other one back here. It's like this whole thing right here. But we'll mess with this whenever I come back. Right now I'm gonna head over to the alignment shop, see what they say.